So for the last week of class, what you are going to be working on is a lab assignment. And basically, you're going to be going through a couple different .NET MAUI tutorials. And since you've already gone through UWP, I think this will be pretty easy for you to pick up. Uh, just make sure that when you create these apps that you use .NET 7. Okay? So both of them, you'll do a kind of a short little one at first, just to kind of introduce you to it. And then you'll do a little bit longer app. And both of them, make sure you use .NET 7. This little video that I've linked in here kind of gives you an overview of .NET MAUI. So you kind of understand the entire framework that you're working in and where it fits into all of the Microsoft technologies. Um, just watch the first 27 minutes. You do not need to know about Blazor. That is one of the different web apps that you can create using C#, but that is beyond the scope of this class. So we're just focusing on what .NET MAUI is. Once you finish that, you'll do the first tutorial, which is very short. You basically create a new app and do a little customizing, not much, and then you will deploy it onto Windows, onto a desktop, and then also you will use a Android emulator. Okay, so you'll see how to do that. Once you're done with that one, you'll work on a little longer one. There's actually a couple different parts to this. This first tutorial, once you are done, you will have a fully functioning app, but it does not incorporate MVVM. So for this first one, you will push it up to GitHub and submit a link. And then you will continue on and you will make the modifications to the app so that it incorporates MVVM concepts. And that's model, view, view model. So you will incorporate those concepts into the app. And once you are done, you're going to submit a little video showing me the app features. And then if you would like to put that on GitHub as well, I did create a little video that shows you how to do it and keep them separate. So you'll have this one separate from this one. Okay, so there's a little video that shows you how to do that. And there's quite a few topics that are covered in the MVVM tutorial. And so if you want to know anything else, I've included links. And one of these links actually takes you to additional tutorials that, you can complete over this summer or, whenever you would like, if you would like to learn more. Okay, so that is the assignment. And for each thing that you're submitting, you're going to get points, a total of 75 points for everything in the assignment. And then there is a discussion. And this is one of our course outcomes. So by this time, I think you guys have a pretty good idea of what quality code is. So in your own words, I want you to tell me what is quality code and describe an app that you feel is good quality, and then why you like it, and then one that is of poor quality and maybe a revision that could make it better. And then a reply to 2 of your classmates. Then we do have a final. You'll see it's going to be opening at midnight on the 24th. If I am done writing it earlier, then I will open it earlier. So this is the latest it will be open. And it will be open until the end of the semester, which is May 6th. And you'll be able to take it 3 times. There is no time limit, and it'll save your highest score. It is a cumulative test. However, I am going to place emphasis on chapters 23 through 27, the .NET MAUI video and the .NET MAUI tutorials. And so what that means is there's going to be more questions on these newer concepts. Okay, so you'll have more questions on those than you will have on things that we covered earlier in the semester. Okay, and all of the questions will be scored immediately. Okay. And then you will not be able to see the correct answers until after the test closes. As far as additional resources, besides the resources that are available at the bottom of the lab assignment, I did include links to kind of a XAML page, a .NET MAUI, and a UWP page. And these are Microsoft pages. Okay, so this is, a lot of them are from Microsoft Build, but I think the tutorials and the information in these pages is quite good. Okay, so if you wanted more information, it is out here. And they are doing a ton of development in .NET MAUI. So don't be surprised through the summer and fall if you see a lot more on .NET MAUI out there. Okay, because this is kind of the new shiny penny that Microsoft has. Okay, so hopefully you guys all have a great week. Um, let me know if you have any questions. And I do think you are really going to enjoy creating those .NET MAUI apps.